Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your Vivo Neo 7. So first, open Quick Settings by scrolling from the top of your phone. Click and hold on Bluetooth and More Bluetooth Settings. Then try to disable, wait a couple of seconds, and enable the Bluetooth. Now, if it's still not connecting, go into the device and click on Pair. Now, try to pair once again with your device. And if it's still not working, then try to restart the Bluetooth device and your phone. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.